your local Weather Authority forecast.
Skies starting off mostly clear across the basin. A live look of the tall city on your Monday morning. These city lights highlighting, not much in the way of any clouds out there. We still have that night vision on this Midland sky tracker. If you look closely enough, we are seeing some clouds, not producing any rain or snow. It's a chilly morning out there for many across the basin. Not quite as chilly as a couple mornings ago, but still pretty chilly. Temperatures ranging from the 20s into the lower 40s. Now, quite of a contrast from the storm system that has since moved on to the north and east that brought rain and snow across the basin. We're not seeing that this morning. We're not seeing rain or snow. We're seeing much clearer skies, much drier weather, and we are going to be seeing warmer weather this afternoon compared to the past few afternoons. A big warm-up will be underway, as we do notice that we have some clouds approaching from the west, moving eastward from Van Horn all the way to Carlsbad and into Hobbs as well. We are seeing some of that in the Midland and Odessa area, not really showing up on satellite and radar right now. It is a chilly morning, so make sure you guys bundle up out there. But again, not quite as chilly as a couple of mornings ago, so at least that's the saving grace out there. Mostly clear skies. I think temperatures will remain steady, or if not slightly warm up by the morning commute, right around the 41-degree mark. So I know many of you guys are going back to work and bringing those kiddos back to school. Make sure you guys bundle up with the heavy jackets out there. Chilly, but comfortable for this time of year because it's not too dry or too humid out there. Temperatures are actually a little bit warmer than what's depicted on this model. It's now 36 in the tall city, right around 38 degrees, 20s and 30s in the Marfa and Alpine area right now. So yeah, temperatures below freezing there. Other areas in the 40s, including near Van Horn, extending also as we head near the Rio Grande. But it's going to be warming up in a big way. Widespread 60s and 70s, lower 60s in the northern western basin and Hobbs, mid to upper 60s and lower 70s in the Trans-Pecos. And as we head into the southern part of our viewing area, low to mid 70s at or slightly above the 70-degree mark today in the tall city. Average high is 63, so I think we'll be as much as 5 to 10 degrees above normal across the basin with more afternoon sunshine and clouds. Those winds from the southwest picking up throughout the day, right around 10 to 20 miles per hour. So yeah, it's going to be milder, but also breezier compared to what we have been seeing. And despite some afternoon clouds rolling on through, not producing any rainfall, clear skies in southern areas because there's enough dry air in the atmosphere. These clouds will be very high and thin in the atmosphere and likely not to produce any rainfall. Overnight lows in the high 30s and 40s, a little bit milder compared to what we're seeing right now with mostly clear skies. Those winds a little bit lighter, but a little breezy out there from the south-southwest, right around 5 to 15 miles per hour. And speaking of those winds, pretty strong in the Guadalupe Mountains, the Delaware Mountains today and tomorrow, where there's a high wind warning. In fact, till 6 p.m. local time, winds may gust close to 60 miles per hour. Not quite as breezy, though, in the Midland and Odessa area and for much of the basin, but that does not mean it won't be breezy. It'll be pretty breezy tomorrow morning, even breezier compared to this morning, and milder as well. Low temperature right around 42 degrees. Those winds, already picking up from the southwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour, a little bit stronger compared to overnight tonight. And much milder and breezier tomorrow afternoon, even a little bit more compared to this afternoon. So today, it's 70 in the tall city, 73 degrees tomorrow. Overnight lows tomorrow night dropping because of those winds from the southwest approaching instead of from the northwest, and then eventually from the northeast. Cooler on Wednesday in the 40s and 50s, but warming back up for Thursday and for Friday.